Hey everybody, welcome back to Spruce Hill. My name's James, and in today's video, we just got our first snowstorm of the year. It started snowing at around 7 o'clock last night, and we went out to start plowing at around 6:30 this morning. We got about 1 to 2 inches of heavy wet snow, so we're not gonna do all of our accounts because we only go out to do all of our accounts 3 inches and up, and right now it's 1 to 2 inches. As you guys saw, we did do some though. We did a couple horse farms, and we did our parking lot, which we just finished. We got one more to do after breakfast. We're at Panera here, so we're gonna get some breakfast. Somebody called and they need us to do an apartment complex, so we're gonna go do that. Without further ado, let's get into today's video. We got a duplex we need to do today. They called. We don't normally do this place. We're just gonna do it this once because they can't find anybody to do it. So we're gonna do it for them today. Get it plowed out. It's not that difficult. It's just a straight driveway, so it shouldn't take us too long. Okay guys, got it done. That was not as easy as we thought. We were told it was just a straight push, but then there's a garage at the back, so you can't just keep pushing or you're gonna push it right into the garage. But we got it all done, so we're going to head back to the driveways we did earlier today, and we're just gonna make sure all those walks are clear. Go do that, so let's get back to it. Well guys, as you can see, we're back home now and we're all done plowing for today. It's around 1 o'clock. We started at 6 o'clock in the morning. It's now 1 o'clock, so we made pretty good time. We did quite a few driveways today. We didn't do all of our driveways, but we did most of them. This is my first snow removal video on the channel, so make sure you guys let me know what you think about it down in the comments section below. But that's all I got for today. If you did enjoy this video though, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys could just hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you guys anything, but it really helps out the channel. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.